Hello, lovelies. This is a midweek video check-in. We left off on Sunday talking about our energy body, being birthed from that, stepping into our etheric bodies, our more divine selves. And sometimes a week can start off like, yeah, got this, let's do it. And by midweek, you're like, damn it. And I had a little bit of that myself. So I thought, normally it's a money talk Wednesday for the midweek, but we're money. So let's talk. One thing I held on to, big thing this week, is not thinking, staying on autopilot. Thinking is like putting the brakes on. And it's that separation from self. Because innately, we know. Innately, we have the answer. And it already is an answer. If you have to pause and start thinking about something you're considering, if you should do it, should you not, should I send this? That's the answer already in and of itself. And sometimes we just push it further than we have to, instead of stepping back and realizing like, oh, that's an answer in and of itself. Be on autopilot. Let's return. We're here. New realm. Expanded consciousness. And now you can feel yourself just moving more smoothly through life as we should be. And we're time travelers. We created all of this, and there is so much reassurance in that as well, that we're not left alone. We created this, and we don't have to take life so seriously. And I love the community check-in for us just doing what we're doing right now, because we can get so ingrained in life that we forget to take a step back and say, I'm supposed to be enjoying my creation as well. And so this is what this video is for, is remembering that and returning to that intuitive space, remembering that remembering that you're not alone. And the one and the all, I'm you, you're me. And we're here just balancing this out and making this as an enjoyable space that it's meant to be. And so, the big takeaway for this week is just remembering that as well, because that thinking space is also for the energy body. And it's a beautiful thing. Remember, this isn't beating up the energy body at all. It's just remembering the multi-facets of ourselves and letting one space have its space as we birth through. And remember, this is the actually divine aspect of myself, being on autopilot. So let's keep cruising through this week, because you're doing amazing. You're doing absolutely amazing. And it's going to get even better. And be kind to ourselves, be loving to ourselves, encourage one another, encourage yourself. But we're here. There's nowhere else to be. And I look forward to catching up with you guys on Sunday. Until then, stay blessed. And any comments, suggestions that you want to hear for us to all talk about, put them in the comments below. I'm game. All right, talk to you soon.